Hello guys, this is Miss Segment. So today we're going to learn lesson 9.4, which is the vehicle insurance. The information that you guys are going to learn is very important because here by law we have to have insurance in our cars. So there is a lot of things involved in our car insurance. So the part of you have to learn, it is very important. The math part, it is really easy. We're going to use a table, but the concept, it is very important. The objective is the student will be able to use tables to compute the annual premium for vehicle insurance, but we're going to use just two formulas. So what is this? I'm going to read, guys, some of the information because it's a lot. So what you buy in a vehicle insurance, because you can get injured people, property, other cars, LiPo, and even your cars. So you have to insurance your car once because it's very important, is the law. You have to do that. Okay, so there is different kinds of insurance that you have to look once you have your car. It is liability insurance. It is the body injury and the proper damage. Sometimes it says here 100, 350. I'm going to explain to you each of them. So, provides, the liability insurance, it says here, provides financial protection to the policy holder, which is us, the ones we pay for the insurance, against claims for body injury and property damage as a result of the accidents. So this one, it is when a person or more than one person got injured, or your car or somebody else's cars, or several cars got involved in the accident. So this says here 100. It covers, it's $100,000 to any person, okay, if it is injured. It is up to $100,000. 300,000 if more than one person it is injured. And the 50, it is $50,000 is a limit of property damage. So, it's going to cover those $50,000. What is a collision injury? It is any other, it is when another car it is involved and with a telephone pole. Very specific. What is a comprehension insurance? Fire, vandalism, theft, any cause other than a collision. So this one is very important, guys. The deductible clause. It is the amount that it covers, repairs that you have to cover, before the insurance company pays. I give you this example. If you have deductible of $50,000, but the damage, it was $4,400. You don't have to pay the $4,400. You are going to pay only $500, and the company, the insurance company, is going to pay the rest if you have the insurance. Okay? What is the annual base premium? It is the amount of insurance that you carry, and depends on how old is your car and the insurance rating group. I'm going to explain to you in a little bit. So, perfect. So, what is this one? The annual premium. It is the cost of the what? Yearly base premium. It is based on what? On your age. Okay, if I'm old, it means I have more experience, so my insurance, it costs less. But you guys, because are teenagers, your insurance costs a lot more. So the marital status, if you single, if you are married, and depends on that. The insurance, look at that. The number of miles that you drive a week. If you can, in my case, I drive a long drive, long miles to go to work. So that depends. In my work, it is close or it is far away. And another thing, if it is for pleasure or if it is for business. Some companies like the landscaping, they use the cars or the trucks for their business. Or, you know, people who sells houses, they use the car to take those people to go and see the houses. In my case, you know, I use my car to go to work. Okay, so that depends on the insurance as well. And we are going to use a table. And the math, it is really easy. We're just gonna add and we're going to multiply. But I need you guys to pay attention because you're going to use the table to find those numbers. On the example that I gave you, it was an all table. So I took a picture of the new table so you guys will have the information that you guys need. So first of all is the example. It says, Marco Hamner is the principal owner of his vehicle. His driver rating factor is 1.80. I will tell you how to use it. His insurance includes $2,500 body injury and $25,000 property damage. So that means it's going to cover $25,000 if one person got injured, and $100,000 is more than one person got injured, and $25,000 on property damage. His vehicle is in age group B, and insurance rating group, it is 11. Don't worry about those numbers. It is going to be in all the examples. And he has, you know, $50,000 deductible on comprehensive insurance. Okay, so we have to pay attention to this. Okay, so on the first one, I need you guys to go to the annual base premium. Okay, so the first thing that I have to do, it is to go to the annual base premium. Okay, so it is liability premium. And where are you going to find? It is the property damage. Where are you going to find those two numbers? Okay, pay attention, guys. Is the body, is the property damage, and it is the body injury, okay, limits. I'm gonna show you guys with the table how to find it. And this, it is it was B11. It says here on the example, it is B11, and you have to find it in both, in the collision, okay, and in comprehensive. And I said, hey, what is all that? Don't worry about it, okay? Because I'm gonna show you with the example. So first of all, I'm gonna show you my the photo. Okay, so in this photo, the first thing that you guys need to do, okay, pay attention. Okay, perfect. Okay, you can froze, you know, that information. Okay, perfect. So the car says it was 25,000, the property damage, and the body injury is 2,500. So I'm gonna turn off the light over here. Okay, perfect. So what do you have to do? You have to go on the 25,000 over here and go to the 2,500. Boom, 2,500 and 25,000. So what do we got? 25,000, 25,000. So there was 319. So this is my first one, $319. And it says here, it with the group, it was B11. It says only for comprehensive insurance. You see? Here it says over here, collision. It doesn't have the cover. It says only comprehensive insurance. It was B11. So we're gonna add just 86 plus 86. Okay? It doesn't have collision. This example didn't have collision, just have comprehensive insurance. In case that it has collision, you go again B11 on this one, B11 on the other one. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. So I'm going to add those two. Okay? So I'm gonna turn on the light. I'm gonna add those two, so it's gonna be 319. It is 319 plus 86. So in total, it was 405. This number, it is gonna help me to multiply that number that we just got by, it says here, by the driver rating factor. So it is gonna be 1.8. Okay, it is not a percent, it is just a number. So it is gonna be 405 times 1.8, and the insurance, it is going to be 729. Okay, so pause on this one, pay attention, and tell me. You just have to use that table. So the first thing that you have to do is property damage, body injury, find it, that's the number. And then check if it has collision and comprehensive insurance. You use exactly the same number for both of them, you know, to find the number on the table. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. Okay? Have a good afternoon. Bye.